I just wanted to do a quick Irish moss video and let you guys know how I do my moss and to make it palatable. Okay, so this is Irish moss after it's been soaked and turned into the gel, okay? Lasts a long time. I take this moss and I blend it with my mint that I have growing in the yard so that it becomes like this. No longer jelly, just a mint flavored moss. So that takes away from the bad taste. Plus soaking it in the lemon before you make it takes away the taste. So Tasha K, I'm going to help you take in your moss, okay? I get my lemon juice, fresh squeezed, my hibiscus tea, freshly made, and this is moss, okay? And my agave. So because we don't eat sugar, we only eat honey and natural sugars. We don't eat powdered sugar, anything like that. This is how I make the moss. So I make some parts lemon, some parts hibiscus, some parts moss, and a little agave. Mix it up with some water, just about this much, about half an inch of water, because by the time I do it by the glass. So by the time you're done, your glass should be probably filled up to this. And then I put ice in it, and then I put water. And so basically it's a hibiscus tea, moss tea, whatever it is. It's a lemonade. Not a tea. Let me get that right. It's a lemonade. Okay? And once you put those three together, you can take down this moss like a champ. It's a daily supplement. So every morning you have a glass of moss. Moss will keep you going, keep you energized all day long. You won't even realize you hadn't eaten. So, again, this is the moss once it's been mixed with the mint. This is the moss before it was mixed with the mint. And again, I got my own fresh mint from outside, and I ground it up with my Vitamix. With the old Vitamix, and that's what you get. You get the green concoction. With this green thing, we just put them in the refrigerator. They last as long as we let it last because, again, if it's a daily supplement, then it shouldn't last that long. So this is probably like 2 weeks worth, another 2 weeks worth. So a month worth. And then this here, probably another month, maybe 2, because, again, this gets, what's the word I'm looking for? Diluted. So once you add this into the Vitamix with the mint, you're adding water to it to thin it out because you don't want the gel. You want it thin. At least I do. I don't like anything like tapioca or anything like that laying on my tongue. I just can't stand it. So, me, I am all for getting it down into a liquid form, not a jelly form. Okay, so Tasha K. Excuse the video. I know it could have been better, but this is my kitchen and this is my moss. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And Tasha K, I will tag you in this so that you can take your moss in that you get from Embrace Pangea. Shout out. God bless.